This is Aberdeen this night, the 18th of November 2025. The snow really came so early this year. What do you think? This is what we are seeing at the moment.
Icy conditions will sweep into more parts of the UK overnight, after snow and ice forced hundreds of schools to shut and closed roads in the worst-hit areas. The Met Office has issued yellow warnings for ice in northeast Scotland, Western Wales, southwest England, and along England's east coast, East Lothian and the Scottish borders into Friday. Snow and ice warnings are already in place in some areas. The North York Moors and parts of the Yorkshire Wolds are under an amber warning for snow and could see between 15 to 25 centimeters.
What's up, George? Oh, Waggon's here. Fucking hell.
Thursday is expected to see the week's coldest night, with temperatures widely falling below zero and down to minus 12 degrees Celsius in rural Scotland. The UK Health Security Agency has issued cold health alerts for England until Saturday, saying there could be significant impacts to the elderly and people with health conditions. Snow-blanketed locations across the country on Thursday, with Altnaharra in northern Scotland and Loch Glascarnoch in West Scotland, recording 9 centimeters as of 11 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time.
It's got good road conditions unless you're in a four-wheel drive. Just had to pick a stranded woman up from a witching post. Take her to Glaisdale. She got stuck coming.
What the heck is this? Snow? It's November. I have things to do. I've got places to be. Have some decorum. Wait till Christmas time. It's too early for this. I have to be out and about. The heck am I good? It's a blizzard out.
More than 100 schools have been closed in the northeast of Scotland, with heavy snow causing further disruption across the region. Aberdeenshire Council listed dozens of schools that were unable to open following another night of wintry weather conditions. On the roads, part of the A90 was closed for several hours and a double-decker bus was stuck in snow on the Banchory to Torphins road in Aberdeenshire. A yellow warning for snow and ice in the north of Scotland remains in place until 21:00. There is also a new yellow warning for ice, covering Grampian, Highland, Orkney and Shetland, from 2100 hours until 11 o'clock on Friday. The weather conditions have also led to the closure of some schools in Moray and the Highlands, with several more delayed opening until later. Conditions were difficult on many roads across the region. The A90 was closed between Aberdeen at the Clean Hill roundabout and the Stonehaven roundabout on Thursday morning, but reopened in the afternoon. In Aberdeen, 2 people were taken to hospital after a car hit a pedestrian at about 6:30 on Wellington Road. The route was closed between Tullos Road and Abbotswell Road, and police advised motorists to avoid the area. The road reopened in the afternoon. The snow gates were closed on the A939 Cockbridge to Tomintoul Road and the B974 Banchory to Fettercairn. Aberdeen International Airport said flight disruption had been minimal, but 4 flights had been cancelled. Scottish transport operators outlined their winter resilience plans last week. This included stocking up on 497,000 tons of salt. More than was used for the entirety of last winter. Aberdeen City Council said gritters on its primary routes are fitted with snowplough attachments, so are ploughing and gritting at the same time. We cannot be everywhere at all times, so remind people to listen to police and travel advice and allow for extra time for journeys, the council said. The Met Office said there was a potential for lows of -12 degrees Celsius in areas of lying snow continuing into Friday in parts of Scotland. Typical overnight temperatures at this time of year range from 2 degrees Celsius in Scotland to 5 degrees Celsius in the south of England. During the first week in November, they rarely fell into single figures, instead hovering at about 10 degrees Celsius to 14 degrees Celsius. Last November, temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius were recorded in some parts of northern Scotland, including Braemar in Aberdeenshire, which reached a low of -11.2 degrees Celsius.
Buggy Hilux and an Arctic. We bossed it.
A snow bomb has landed in God's own country and is currently causing travel chaos across North and East Yorkshire this evening as roads have been shut, leaving cars stranded. It follows snow falling in rural coastal villages across the Yorkshire coast from Whitby down to Hornsea on Wednesday. An upgraded amber snow and ice warning continues as more snow is predicted to fall across Yorkshire, and the blizzard weather conditions are likely to cause disruption. The A169 is shut near the whole of Horkham following bad road conditions with a HGV stuck in the snow. The A171 is also causing traffic problems near Whitby, with more snow set to fall in the short-term forecast. An upgraded amber snow and ice warning is currently in play along the Yorkshire coast, with more inland towns and villages to see a 5 centimeters white blanket. The latest UK snow maps indicate a downturn in conditions, with numerous areas at risk of experiencing flurries from Wednesday.